Now we are discussing about uh, textile printing unit. What is the textile printing process? Textile printing is the process of applying color to fabric in definite patterns or designs. In property printed fabrics, the color is bonded with the fiber so as to resist washing and friction. What are the different types of textile printing machines? The four main methods of textile printing are block, roller, screen and heat transfer printing. How much does digital fabric printing cost? The cost of production of digitally printed fabrics is roughly about 80 to 150% per meter, 150 rupees per meter, whereas it is 50 rupees per meter. And next point is which printer is used for fabric printing? Hybrid design printers, usually for fabrics such as cotton, nylon and silk. A direct to fabric thermal printer works best, whereas for materials such as polyester, a dye sublimation machine is required. And next point is which fabric is best for printing? Viscose is also one of the digital printing materials widely used in the fashion industry, as is the case with printing on cotton. You will get the best results when printing on viscose with reactive ink. And next point is which software is mostly used in textile printing design? CAD is used in every phase of the textile industry. Design program of CAD is based on two systems. One is a raster scan and another is a vector. Both systems have their own pros and cons, so the selection of the software is according to your requirements, according to user requirements. Which printing is best for cotton? For natural fabrics such as cotton, screen printing and DTH printing are the methods that will give you the best results. If you want to try your hand at transfer printing or sublimation printing, you are going to have better results with a synthetic such as polyester. What GSM is best for prints? 120 to 140 GSM is premium paper. This is good for prints, flyers, notices and anything that needs a bit more sturdiness than bog standard paper. 200 to 300 GSM is a thin cord. It will still bend easily but will stand up nicely when folded. What are the types of printing methods? What are the different printing methods available? That is offset lithography, then flexography and digital printing, then large format, then screen printing, 3D printing and LED UV. What are the textile processes? Production process, spinning. Spinning allows the transformation of a mass of disordered fibers into a unit of great length. And dyeing yarn. Dyeing is the process of transforming greasy yarn into colored yarn through the use of color substances. Weaving, finishing and final checks. And next point is what is the most popular printing process? Offset printing. Offset printing is currently the most common printing process with the printed part visible on the plate. This printing process moves ink from a plate to a rubber roller and other surfaces to produce high quality images and designs. This is the information regarding textile printing. Textile printing is also most important for colorful cloths printing and all these, and it will be useful to the nation and to the company also. Wishing you all the best.